So I'm a big time second guesser. I love second guessing myself all the time. Prime example, maybe I ride to work, right? Or I'm out there running some errands. I get out of the vehicle, I turn it off, I walk away from the vehicle. I get inside, then that's when it hits me all of a sudden. Did I lock my car doors? Did I not? I'm second guessing myself. But wouldn't it be nice though, once you get 10 feet away from the vehicle with your key fob, it automatically locks? You can do it, it's easy. Let me show you how now. All right, so we're gonna come over to the touch screen. From here, we're gonna select vehicle setting, door and window setup. You will see walkaway auto lock. Then it's off right now. We're going to turn that on. So when we have the key fob with us in your pocket, your purse, whatever the case is, you turn off the vehicle, you get out, you shut the door, you walk away with the key, boom, it locks all the doors for you. One less thing on the list to remember.